Hey you guys, if you hear chips and everything in the background, my cousin's here. But today, the blushes. They're called WINKY LUX Cheeky Rose Blush, and they're $20 at Target. You can use clearance online at Target and pick it up in stores. These are so pretty, I don't want to mess them up at all. Okay, so they're $20 and they look like this. They come in a little globe and they're pretty heavy. I'm gonna insert swatches of them. There are 5 shades. Ulta only has 4 of the shades, but you can have all 5 of the shades at Target. I've actually seen them in stores at my Target as well. These are the close-ups of it. These are just 2 shades, of course, because I can't, you know, hold all 5 of them up. So that's what they look like. They're pretty big, and they come with 4.8 grams of product in them, so it's a pretty good amount. I'm obsessed with this dang orange one. So they are natural finish, and they're infused with this word that I can't say. I'm gonna put it on the screen, and vitamin E, and it gives it a smooth result. So they said it's easy application with your fingers, but there's more pigment with the brush. So we're gonna do one on each side application. I don't know which color to use. Can you pick a color?
Left.
This one? Okay, so I want to apply this with a sponge so bad. But I'll have swatches of all of them on the screen right now. I don't know what they're going to look like, but here you go. Here's all 5 of them. The orange one is called Brilliant. The like bright pink coral shade is called Knickers. The most nude one is called Tea Time. The rosy pinky one is called Dodgy. And the darkest one is called Crown. And we're going to be using the darkest one today because that's what she wants me to use. So I'm going to use it. Thank God she's here because I couldn't choose. And by the way, I do have the Maybelline Cheek Heats. If you want me to try these out, they're gel to cream formula blush in a tube. So let me know if you want me to review these. I haven't heard the greatest things about them, but I will sacrifice my face for you guys. I'm gonna try it with this dual fiber powder 516 brush from Luxie first, but if it's not pigmented enough, I'm using the stippling brush from Real Techniques. Oh, that's not that bad. That's what it comes off like. Wow. I didn't think it was gonna be that pigmented. And I do have cream bronzer on already. Oh, that's kind of pretty.
Oh, wow.
That's very...
I did not expect it to be that good.
Oh, this one is fire. I like this, Kristen. You know how I like blush.
Yeah, that one looks really good.
I don't like you in the background. Because people can hear you, so they're like, is she lying? No. Does she really like it? Yes. That came out pretty.
Wow.
Oh, I can't wait to try it with a brush. Okay. And now I said I was going to try it with this brush first. I'm so nervous because look how much pigment. Okay, so I feel like my fingers actually put the pigment on more and faster.
I agree.
And it's kind of like easier. Is it moving my foundation around? It's not moving the foundation around so at all. It's not picking it up or anything. This is pretty. I'm gonna try it with this brush just because we're experimenting. This one's a little bit more compact, so it should be more pigmented. Yeah, it's kind of more pigmented a little bit with the brush. I would never go for this color. I would always go for the orange.
I love that.
I like it. It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot wait to swatch the rest of these. And look, it didn't even mess up the flower too awful much. Okay, so that is the blush after using it. Did not even really harm it at all. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll come back after powder and everything. So I'm not gonna put a powder blush on top of this. So we're gonna see how it sets and everything like that, and then we'll see what I think. Don't go nowhere. Okay, so this is the finished look, and I absolutely love the blush. Kristen loves the blush. I'm gonna use these more often, 100%. Like, thank you for choosing my blush color for the day.
Yes, it was perfect.
It was so glowy that I almost forgot to put on a highlighter. So these are very glowy, even set with translucent setting powder. Well, I used the yellow one, so it definitely pops through it. But they're $20 at Target. Ulta has only 4 shades. Target has all 5. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video.